Mahihain ka rin bang mangutang, kaibigan? So in today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paanong makapag-loan ng up to 20,000 pesos sa ating GCash account. So with that, intro muna tayo. Ang una natin gagawin is to open our GCash account. We have to enter our MPIN. Never share our MPIN kahit kanina po. Upon opening our GCash app, makikita po kayong view all. Ito, click po natin. And then, on lower part of our screen, scroll up po natin. Makikita natin is yung GLoan. And then, powered by Fuse. Siya yung papautang sa atin. And then, yan, merong 9 months and 12 months. Then, 3.59 average na interest rate and 3% na one-time processing fee. So, try natin. So, as you can notice, ang loan amount is 5,000 ang minimum and maximum 20,000. And then, dati, 1,000 lang inuutang ko rito eh. Ngayon sa 5,000 na, nag-level up. Di man lang binigyan ng option na pang 1,000 lang muna. So, try natin 20 mil mga kaibigan. Aray. 12 months mo siyang babayaran, tapos select ang option, then let's say business expense. Yan. So, yan yung loan amount, 20,000, tapos 600 ang magiging processing fee, and then 19,400 ang marireceive ninyo. Then, yan. Ang monthly mo within 12 months is 2,284.67. Yan yung babayaran mo na monthly. So, in our case, di natin kailangan ng 5,000 mga kaibigan. Sobrang mataas masyado yun. Ayun, 5,000 lang tayo. So, yan. 5,000 ang loan amount. Tapos, 150 ang processing fee. Ang marireceive natin is 4,850. Ayan yung 3.59% na interest rate. 9 months to pay. Wala na yun. Hindi pwede 12 months eh. Hindi pwede pindutin. And 735.06 ang babayaran. So, try natin get this loan. Sana ma-approve. So, there we go. Amount to receive is 4,850. Repayment per month is 735 within 9 months. 5,000, then March 24, first payment, March 24, 2023. Try natin. So, ayan, review your personal information. So, kapag ka unang beses ka palang maglo-loan, magpipill up ka talaga nito. Additional information are now required to fill up, kagaya ng nickname, gender, civil status, mobile number natin na ibang mobile number hindi yung sa GCash natin. And then character references. And then yan po yung mga pwede yung character reference na pagkuhaan. Check that you agree to data privacy agreement and then click submit. Then check to agree to disclosure statement and isushow po sa inyo yung mga kailangan yung basahin na mga impormasyon bago po kayo mag-proceed. Now, click check to I agree to loan terms and condition and ipapakita rin po sa inyo yung terms and condition. Then, mahaba po yan. Basahin nyo na lang po. Kapag kayo na yung nag-process ng inyo pong loan. Upon pressing continue, ay mapupunta po tayo dito sa about to receive your GLoan. O, diba? And then, we will press confirm. GCash app will verify kung ikaw nga ba talaga ang nagpa-process ng loan through OTP PIN. So, just like your MPIN, never share your OTP PIN kahit kanino po. Loan application successful. So, sabi dito within 24 hours. Pero in my case, wala pang 5 minutes, dumating na po sa akin yung loan na kailangan ko. Upon checking our GCash account, ayan po, meron na po tayong 4,850 and makaka-receive ka ng text message from your GCash account. And I hope isa na namang tech kaalaman ang inyo pong natutunan gamit ang video na ito. At kung mahilig ka sa how-to, tutorial, unboxing, cellphone application, and all about technology, kaibigan, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga bagong tech videos na lalabas. So with that, maraming salamat po and peace out.